Have you ever wondered what it is really like to stay at Cosmelenia hotel apartments in Ayia Napa, Cyprus? In this video, we are sharing our honest experience after staying at this hotel many times. We will show you the location, the apartments, the facilities, the breakfast, and a few important tips you should know before booking your stay. So, if you are planning a holiday in Cyprus, stay with us until the end. Cosmelenia Hotel Apartments is located in a fantastic area of Ayia Napa. Close to some of the most beautiful beaches in Cyprus. Nissi beach is only around 500 meters away. And other popular beaches, Ayia beach, Landa beach, and the famous Nissi beach are also nearby. Nissi beach is approximately 1 kilometer from the hotel, while Water World Ayia Napa is also around 1 kilometer away. The lively centre of Ayia Napa and the famous Ayia Napa monastery are approximately 8 kilometers from the hotel. One of the advantages of this location is that you can enjoy a quieter and more peaceful environment while still being close to the main attractions. There is also a bus stop near the hotel, making it easy to reach Ayia Napa and other areas by public transport. If you prefer to explore Cyprus by car, the hotel also has a car park. Cosmelenia is a family-run hotel apartment complex with a relaxed and peaceful atmosphere. The complex has 42 apartments in total. These include 8 superior studios, 30 one-bedroom apartments, and 4 standard studios. 2 of the studios are designed to accommodate guests with disabilities. The hotel is surrounded by well-maintained gardens, creating a pleasant environment for a relaxing holiday. There is a swimming pool, a tennis court, a bar, and a restaurant on site. Guests can also relax on the sun lounges around the pool, enjoy a cocktail, or play a game of billiards. The hotel occasionally organises evening entertainment, including barbecue nights, karaoke, and live music. During our stays, we chose the pool view apartments, and we really enjoyed them. The apartments and studios are self-catering, which means you have the option to prepare some of your own meals. Each unit includes a kitchenette with a refrigerator, cooking hobs, a kettle, and a toaster. If you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. It really helps the channel grow, reach more people, and continue bringing you amazing travel content from around the world. Our apartment opened onto a balcony overlooking the pool. This was a lovely place to sit, especially in the morning or in the evening after returning from the beach. The bathroom in our apartment was clean and very good. And overall, the accommodation provided everything we needed for a comfortable stay. The Wi-Fi is advertised as being available in the public areas. However, during our stays, it also worked well on our apartment balcony. Important extra costs. There is one important point you should consider before booking. Air conditioning is available at an additional cost. Cyprus can be extremely hot during the summer, so air conditioning is not simply a luxury. It is something you will probably need, especially if you are visiting during the hottest months. During one of our stays, we spent approximately €50 per week on air conditioning. The exact cost may change, so we recommend checking the current price with the hotel before you travel. A safe is also available, but this comes with an extra charge. These additional costs are worth considering when you are planning your holiday budget. Breakfast is served daily in the dining area from an a la carte menu. For us, this was one of the weaker points of the hotel. The breakfast menu does not offer a very large selection, and you are allowed to order only one coffee with the breakfast menu. We chose the English breakfast, and it was fine for us. However, you should not expect a large buffet with many different choices, as you may find in some other hotels in the area. The restaurant is also available for lunch and dinner, while the bar serves coffee, cocktails and other drinks. Our honest opinion. For us, the biggest advantage of Cosmelenia Hotel Apartments is its location. You are close to some of the best beaches in Ayia Napa, including Makronissos Beach, Landa Beach, Ayia Thekla Beach and Nissi Beach. At the same time, the hotel itself offers a calm and relaxed atmosphere away from the busiest parts of Ayia Napa. The apartments are comfortable, the pool area is pleasant, and the family-run atmosphere makes the hotel feel peaceful and welcoming. The main disadvantages are the extra cost for air conditioning and the limited breakfast options. However, if you're aware of these points before booking, they should not come as a surprise. Overall, Cosmelenia Hotel Apartments is a good option for travellers looking for comfortable and affordable accommodation in a great location. It is particularly suitable for families, couples and anyone who wants to enjoy the beautiful beaches of Ayia Napa without staying directly in the busiest part of the town. Our advice is to check the air conditioning charge before you book, include it in your holiday budget, and consider renting a car if you want to explore more of Cyprus. However, with the nearby bus stop, public transport is also a convenient option. We have stayed at Cosmelenia many times, and we have enjoyed our experiences there. It may not offer the facilities of a luxury hotel, but it provides a peaceful environment, comfortable apartments, and easy access to some of the most beautiful beaches in Cyprus. We hope you enjoyed this honest review of Cosmelenia Hotel Apartments in Ayia Napa. If you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video and leaving a comment below. It really helps the channel grow, reach more people and continue bringing you amazing travel content from around the world. Also, here is a travel tip that we personally use on every trip. We always use a Wise card when traveling, and honestly, it has become one of our favorite ways to pay in shops, restaurants, hotels, and many other places around the world. Why do we use it? Because the exchange rates are usually among the best available, it works with many currencies worldwide, it is safe and secure, and you can always clearly see what you are spending directly from the app. It makes traveling much easier and helps avoid unnecessary exchange fees. And if you would like to get your own Wise card, you can easily do it through the link in the description below. By using our link, you also help support this channel so we can continue bringing you more travel tips, guides, and incredible new destinations. We also have other videos about hotels we have visited in Cyprus, as well as helpful tips about the local area, beaches, and how to save money on transportation. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. And if you have stayed at Cosmelenia Hotel Apartments, let us know about your experience. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. If you are enjoying this content and would like to support the channel, you can help us grow by clicking the super thanks button. We truly appreciate your support.